Hi guys, in case you missed my previous announcement of tonight's live webinar, this is your chance to get in. I'm starting 8:30 Dutch European time. It will be a Dutch webinar tonight and I will tell you all about how you can build your passive online income and what is going on right now on the internet. And I can tell you there is lots of things going on. And if you are a business owner, this might be very interesting for you just to lift your business. And if you're a newbie and you don't know anything about making money online or things like that, step in, join in, click the link and be there tonight, because I will explain the larger picture of what the internet can do for you and how it can change your way of living. And it's only 30 minutes to go. I'm preparing, I'm ready for it. I'm looking forward to meet you there in personal. See you there. Muriel.